Now this part might be a little weird, okay? Let me just start off by saying, welcome back to my channel, Usi Gang. My name is Usone Kaku, for those who don't know, and I make videos on natural hair beauty and lifestyle. So if that is the kind of thing you are into, then go ahead and subscribe to this channel, because this is gonna be the thing that you will be seeing, okay? So I've had this channel for a couple of months now, and by and large, my most watched video with the views still growing has been my Glossier review on the Milky Jelly Cleanser and the solution, which is kind of good, but at the same time a little awkward because I'm not really a skincare channel, but clearly y'all love y'all some skincare. So I'ma please the audience, you know, gotta please your people. So today I'm going to actually officially walk you all through my morning and nighttime skincare routine. Let me bring this camera a little down. Did that even move? Probably not. Okay, now I did do a rundown of both my routines in my Glossier product review video, but I can understand not everyone wanting to sit down and sift through that. So this video is for you if you've been dying to know what I do to my skin. I'm actually going to be starting with my nighttime routine. And so all I use at night, and my routine is actually pretty simple. I really like, when I tell you it's not that I'm a minimalist, but I don't do a lot because I'm not like a whole skincare aficionado. I literally only do the most basic steps of the basic. So at night, I use my face wash, my exfoliator, and an oil or serum. So my first step at night is to actually wash my face. And yes, I am still very much using my Glossier products that I used in the video. I feel like they worked so well that it's literally just a part of my skin routine now. So this is the cleanser I am using till this day, the Glossier Milky Jelly Cleanser. This is the same exact bottle that I reviewed a few months ago. And a few months later, it's barely even made it halfway through the bottle. This bottle lasts forever. So, you know, before that I was using, black soap, which, you know, I plan to, you know, still return to. I'm just finishing this bottle, but it's not like I will never repurchase this bottle because this cleanser is actually pretty good. But yeah, so this is the cleanser I've been using for months now. And so I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face. Okay, so first I wet my face. Then I take my cleanser and I use maybe 1 or 2 pumps. This is actually a pretty big pump I just did. So we're gonna use this pump. And I just, you know, slather it. Yeah. So I just slather it on, and then now I'm going to rinse it out. Okay, then I'm going to take my towel cloth and just towel dry my face. And then, you know, I can usually always see a difference in my face as soon as I do the cleaning steps. So now I'm going to go ahead and move on with my solution. So this is also the same bottle that I was using in my review. It's been months, and I reordered another bottle yesterday, and this pretty much was the game changer product in my review for me. So this is definitely a staple. I think I have maybe about, what should I say, less than 10 uses of this, not sure. This one did run out a lot quicker than my wash is running out. And I'm going to take a cotton round. Take a cotton round, and I usually do 2 pumps. My only complaint against this product that I have is in the design of the pump. It's very easy for the pump to squirt out and through your cotton round. I'm not sure why that is, but it literally happens all the time. But I basically just sweep it across my face one time, and I get all my areas. I avoid my lids, because you're not supposed to exfoliate your lids. The skin is too fragile there. Then I get my neck. Okay. And then done. So this is how much gunk I've taken away, and it's usually this much or a little more. But as you can see, it really does work. As per directions, the product does say you should leave it on just for a little bit before you put anything else on it, just, you know, to allow the whatever it is inside to work. So that's what I do. I wait a couple, some seconds, maybe a minute or two, whatever. No, actually, not even a minute, 30 seconds, I would say. I probably wait about 30 seconds before I go ahead and move on to the next step. It's literally not even that long. Okay, now for the last and final step of my routine. Now this part might be a little weird, okay? Let me just start off by saying, okay, my next step is to use an oil, and I use the ordinary cold pressed virgin marula oil, okay? I like to use my oils on wet things. It just makes sense to me, and it feels so much better when you put oil on top of a wet surface. So before I use my oil, I'm going to re-wet my face with my spray bottle. So yeah, just dampen it up a little. And then I'm going to take my little serum and basically leave droplets on different points of my face and rub them in. So comment down below what your routine is. Is it as simple as mine? Is it more complex? Just let me know down in the comments. But as far as night routine, that is all there is to mine. You looking oily and fresh, skin greased up to the gods. No, but for real, I will catch you in the morning. Okay, now I failed to mention that I have normal to dry skin, so I feel like part of the reason that I don't really experience as much acne and bumps and scars as some others do, because I do often get complimented on my skin. I feel like part of the reason might be because I do have skin that's more on the dry side. So just wanted to let you all know my skin is normal to dry if you are curious about my routine and why I do it. Okay, good morning, everyone. Here's the part where I show you what I do to my skin to get it popping in the morning. So all I use in the morning is simply a moisturizer with an SPF, which is usually one product, but currently right now I'm trying 2 products that do that. So the first step I do is to rinse my face. I only really wash once a day because, like I told y'all, my skin is dry, so I don't feel it necessary to keep stripping it 2 times a day. So usually I wash once a day, and that would be in the night when I do my nighttime routine, and then in the morning I'll just rinse my face. I actually usually rinse in the shower, you know, kind of do the double multi-step, one time kill two birds with one stone type of thing. Okay, so the moisturizer I usually use is the Olay Daily Moisturizer with SPF 15, but I am once again trying some more Glossier products. And so instead of using that, I am currently trying out the Glossier Priming Moisturizer Rich, which I feel, despite the smell, is all right, but it's a little too thick to be using in the summer. I feel like it's more of a cooler temperature moisturizer just because it is so thick. I'm gonna go ahead and use this moisturizer. So, okay. So, and now, since this moisturizer doesn't have an SPF in it, you know, Black people, you need your SPF despite what anyone tells you. But since this product doesn't have an SPF in it, I am using the Glossier Invisible Shield SPF 35, which I really do love this product because it leaves literally no cast at all. Okay, then I put it over my layer with the moisturizer. It definitely feels like I'm putting lotion on my face when I put it on. It feels really nice. So that's how I give my face some moisture and SPF in the morning. And literally that is all to my morning routine. See how simple that was? Thank you for watching this video. Comment down below both your night skincare routine and your morning skincare routine, and make sure to give this video a big jumbo thumbs up, because I don't do skincare that often, but I actually do really want to incorporate it more into my channel. I know Fenty Skin just came out, and I've been really looking at it. I've been debating about trying it. So if you are interested in seeing me try it and do, you know, another 30-day challenge with Fenty Skin, let me know down in the comments below. And you know, just don't forget to thumbs this up, because I love you guys, and I will see you next week. Bye.